Hold on. Huh? I think we're gonna go to my dad's house because I think we're watching the game over there. Cool. Yeah, there's another fan in here too. There's fans out here too.
On Monday?
Yeah. Yeah, this fan is a little slow when it starts up, but I'm gonna just actually go ahead and like shift it to I think it was on speed 5. I'm just gonna shift it to that. Aww. Sweet little dog. Brooklyn! It's okay. It's okay, it's a sweet puppy. Brooklyn, look how fast it's going now. Brooklyn, look how fast it's going now. Brooklyn, it's fine.